Next up, I want to show you how you take these, which is the JetMaster display system, and transform these into wall art with your favorite pet photos.
This I've got to see.
Using the JetMaster display system is really as easy as print it, wrap it, and hang it. So the first step is print. What you will want to do is to select your artwork or photograph, and if you want some help in sizing it, you can go to jetmaster-systems.com. You click on printing and they have an online print utility that takes you very easily step by step to size and print your artwork. I've selected a photograph from my friend Kimberly Wink. She is a pet photographer and this is one of my favorite dog photos. You will notice that the JetMaster display system has two different sides to it. The white side is where the release paper is, so what you want to do is pull that back to expose the sticky side. And remember, this is very sticky right now, so you want to keep your fingers out of it so that your artwork or photograph will stick to it. You want to carefully align this, and there are some score lines that you can follow when you place your artwork down. And then just use your hands to press that in place. And I'm going to turn it over, and because I still have some sticky adhesive exposed, I have it on a non-stick pad, so when I press, it's not going to stick to my table. See these holes on each side? Those you would use if you wanted to hang your artwork. So keep that in mind, that you can hang these or you can use them for tabletop. So the next step is to trim the corners. And you just use your scissors. Now that your edges are trimmed, the next step is to actually fold in these pre-cut flaps. And it's very easy. You just fold right along the scores, and you see that little flap pops up. So I'm going to just tuck that right back in against that edge and press, and it holds right in place. And you want to press firmly to be sure that that adhesive side sticks firmly down. It's very easy to fold in your corners. When you start to fold this in, you just press in those corners. Make sure you have a nice clean edge there. Tuck in those tabs and press down. And we'll just keep moving around here. Press in our corners, tuck in our tab, and press. I'm at the last fold, so I want to be sure and tuck in both of my corners. And fold in my edge. Press those tabs down in place. Now you are nearly complete. The next step is to take these sticky pads and place them on the corners. And that keeps those corners nice and snug. All right, so we're almost finished with this. The final step is to take the backing board and you fold the edges to create a box. And this is still sticky on the inside. And so you just tuck this right in. And press it in, and the sticky adhesive will hold it in place. And now you have a great piece of artwork and photography to put on your desktop, or remember, you can hang this on the wall. So isn't it cool how you can take your own artwork and turn it into fabulous wall art or tabletop art?
I'm so excited. I want to redo all my wall art in my living room.
And of course you can do this in different sizes too.
Different sizes. I think I saw there was 12 by 16 and 16 by 20. But you could just group them all together too and make them bigger. And
you're good. You've been reading all of this.
I'm just so intrigued by it. It's just so cool.
And you can use, our theme today is pets, but of course you can do nature and family. And
scrapbooking paper.
Yes, it would look fabulous. So I love it, love it, love it. And we're going to have to see what Heidi does with the JetMaster display system.